Welcome to Bharati's Home Science channel. Today we are going to see the practice exercise. That is, it is a kind of sample question paper from the chapter 1. Okay. Now let's see the question. Name the soft and fatty material found in bones which help in making the red blood cells. See, here the option given are rib cage, platelets, brain, bone marrow, and none of this. What will cause the which help in making red blood cells? That is bone marrow. Okay. Which type of joint is present between the bones of wrist and ankle? Which is a joint present in between the bones of wrist and ankle? Is it pivot joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint, hinge joint, and none of this? The answer is gliding joint. Dash is the largest bone in the body. Humerus, fibula, radius, femur, none of this. What is the answer? It is femur bone, which is present in thighs. Next, which among the following is an immovable joint? Joint that cannot be moved. Shoulder joint. Second option is joint between vertebrae. Third is joint between upper jaw and the skull. And the D option is joint between bones in the wrist. And the final option is none of these. The answer is joint between upper jaw and the skull. This joint cannot be moved. Next, involuntary muscles are involved in which of the following processes? Options are running, beating of heart, bending, eating, none of this. Involuntary muscles means it will act upon itself. See, running, bending and eating, we need to do that. Beating of the heart, it will be done by the heart automatically. So here, involuntary muscle involved is beating of heart. Dash is a fleshy bundles of thin elastic-like material in the body that helps in movement. Options are muscles, bones, cells, spine, and none of this. Answer is muscles. How many bones are there in the skull? 28, option B 23, option C 22, option D 29. Option E, none of this. Answer is 22. There are 22 bones present in the skull. Which one among the following is the name of a vertebra present in the neck? Options are toes, tendon, atlas, cardiac, and none of these. Here the answer is atlas. Bone at the center of the chest. The bone which is present at the center of the chest. Options are femur, limbs, ulna, sternum, none of this. The answer is sternum. Four limbs refers to. Here they have given the 5 options: legs, arms, face, head, and none of this. Which is the answer? 4 limbs refers to arms. Which among the following is not included in a balanced diet? Is not included here, they are asking. Options are roughage, water, protein, carbohydrate, and none of this. So the answer is none of this. Humerus is bone of, options are thigh, lower arm, upper arm, foot, and none of this. The answer is upper arm. Lower arm consists of, options are given. Option A is steba and fibula. After B is radius and ulna. After C, option C, radius only. After D, fibula only. Option E, none of this. The correct answer is radius and ulna. The tissue which holds two bones together at a joint is. Options are tendon, ligament, cartilage, bone marrow, none of this. Correct answer is ligament. Now match the following. See, match the following. In column A they have given pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint and ball and socket joint. See, types of joint they have given. In column B, where they are present, they given between any two vertebrae, shoulder, between skull and first two vertebrae, and the option is knees. First we will see pivot joint. For the pivot joint, which is the correct option? It is present between the skull and the first two vertebrae. Okay. Next, hinge joint. Where it is present? It is present between knees. Next is gliding joint. It is between any two vertebrae. Okay. Next is ball and socket joint. It is present at shoulders. See, these options are at the option D. Okay. Next, food cannot be preserved by. See, these are the methods of preservation of foods. In which method we cannot preserve the food? Options are canning, salting, dehydration, balancing, and none of this. Obviously, the answer is balancing. We cannot preserve the food by the method of balancing. Next question. Which among the following is not a source of roughage? Roughage means that is rich in fibers. Options are fresh fruits, cereals, butter, vegetables, and none of these. Obviously, butter don't have any fibers, so option is butter. Special substances present in food which keep us healthy are. Options: manures, nutrients, nutrition, both A and B, or none of this. Here the answer is nutrients. Next, dash help in pushing out the waste material from the body. Options are minerals, roughage, junk food, proteins, and none of this. Correct option is roughage. Which among the following is a non-communicable disease? Means which do not spread through communication. Okay. Options are measles, whooping cough, cancer, chicken pox, and none of this. Obviously, cancer will not spread through the communication. The option correct answer is cancer. Next, AIDS is caused by which of the following microbe? Options are bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi, and none of these. See, correct answer is virus, because this is wrong answer. Someone has mentioned like it is fungi. Actually, it comes from the HIV virus. Next, anemia is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Options are vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and none of this. The correct answer is vitamin B12. Which of the following bone is not found in leg? Options are tibia, fibula, femur, and ulna. See, correct answer is ulna. Name the joint which helps in joining upper arm with the lower arm. Options are pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint, none of this. Correct answer is hinge joint. Next, match the following. In column A, they have given vertebrae, brain, rib cage, and biceps. Column B, they have given heart and lungs, muscle, 33, and immovable joints. Here, the correct option is C. Vertebrae, there are 33. Brain, it is an immovable joint. Rib cage, heart and lungs, it covers heart and lungs. Bicep is a muscle. So here the correct option is C. Okay. Next, name the disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. Anemia, beriberi, rickets, scurvy, none of this. Here the answer is beriberi. Which among the following is the main function of vitamin K? Options are proper growth, clotting of blood, keeping gums healthy, proper functioning of digestive system, and none of this. Correct answer is clotting the blood. Next, vitamin A deficiency leads to the options. These are the diseases. Option A, pellagra. Option B, bleeding. Option C, night blindness. Option D, rickets, and none of this. The correct answer is night blindness. Next, which of the following is not present in carbohydrates? Option A, carbon. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen. Option D, hydrogen. None of this. Correct option is nitrogen. Next, which among the following is caused by the deficiency of iodine? Options are pellagra, rickets, plague, goiter, none of this. Goiter is the disease caused by the deficiency of iodine. Dash is caused by virus. Options are typhoid, plague, polio, malaria, none of this. Obviously, polio is caused by the virus. Which among the following is not a bacterial disease? Options are plague, meningitis, pneumonia, influenza, none of these. Influenza is not an bacterial disease. So this is the right answer. Which one of the following disease is protected by MMR vaccine? Options are tuberculosis, measles, diphtheria, tetanus, and none of these. The correct answer is measles. TT vaccine is used against. Options are tuberculosis, typhoid, tetanus, tonsillitis, none of this. It is tetanus. Correct answer is tetanus. The organ which plays an important role in excretion of the liquid waste. See, here they have given the organs: stomach, heart, kidney, and the eyes. None of these. Kidneys, it do the important role in excretion of the liquid waste. Next, dash is the colored circle present in the eye. What is the name of the circle that is present in the eye? Options: cornea, iris, pupil, lens, none of this. It is iris. Spinal cord is connected to which of the following parts of brain? Options are cerebrum, medulla, cerebellum, skull, none of these. Correct answer is medulla. See, if you go through my last videos, you will get the explanation for all these things. Next, largest part of the brain is cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla, finger, none of this. The correct answer is cerebrum. Nerves which bring messages from the sensory organs to the brain are called dash. Means the options are mixed nerves, motor nerves, sensory nerves, both A and C, none of this. See, sometimes they give the answers like you get confused. Okay, don't get confused. Here the answer is not the motor nerves. Here it is sensory nerves. This is all about the chapter 1 question and answers, human body and nutrition. In our next video, we will go to the next chapter, plants. Thank you.